Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel GK for everyone. Today is 28th of June and at the very beginning of the day we are going to start with the day's current affairs. So let's get started. The significance of the day, it's observed as National Logistics Day. National Logistics Day is actually celebrated on June 28th of every year. It is to acknowledge the importance of logistic industries that play a key role in the nation as well as the global economy. The logistics, which mainly functions with the transportation of the goods from one place to another, are a very important part of the economy, and also the market factors vastly depends on them. Nowadays there are very private and government logistic companies that are very important for e-commerce also. So 28th June is to acknowledge their importance. The next thing, it's also observed as National Insurance Awareness Day. On this National Insurance Awareness Day, which falls on 28th of June 2021, with the motive to play people more and more aware about the insurance benefits and different plans, let's understand a few essential points before buying any policy and what adequate plans we should take for our family and properties. We should be actually very aware before buying a policy, but we should do buy a policy actually for our safety in future from various medical issues or unexpected death of a family member. We should always be insured from a good insurance company so that we can overcome the financial crisis that succumbs to it. So the next, coming with some questions. Which international cricketer has the longest cricketing career after Sachin Tendulkar? She is Mithali Raj, the captain of Indian women's cricket team. She has been playing her ODI career for 20 years now. The next question, which American sprinter broke the 8th Olympic gold medalist Usain Bolt under 20 world records for fastest 200-meter run? This is his picture. He is Erin Kington. He broke Usain Bolt's record. Who represented India in the Global Investor Roundtable by US India Strategic Partner Forum? She was Nirmala Sitharaman, the present Finance Minister of India. Who has been appointed as the acting Central Vigilance Commissioner of India? He is Suresh N. Patel. This is his picture. In which city is Jharkhand Cricket Association planning to establish international cricket stadium? It is in Bokaro, which is also known as the Steel City. It is very famous for its steel plants, and it is the fourth largest city in Jharkhand. This is a very beautiful place where Jharkhand Cricket Association is planning to establish the international cricket stadium. The next question, which worldwide used social media platform has recently joined NSDC, which is National Skill Development Mission, to launch the Digital Skill Champions program? The famous social media WhatsApp is planning to do so. It aims to train the Indian youths on digital skills to make them actually employment ready with various soft skills to make them acquire it through some campaigns. The next question, which encrypted messaging application did Amazon acquire? It's the Wickr. This is its logo. It is a platform or an app to exchange the end-to-end encrypted and content expiring message, photos, videos, and also file attachments. What did Narendra Modi inaugurated in Ahmedabad as a part of the Mini Japan Vision in Gujarat recently? Is the Jain Garden and the Kaizen Academy. How much money did Tamil Nadu state government announce for the gold medalist of Tokyo Olympics? It's rupees 3 crore. Who has inaugurated the International Education E-Conference 2021? It was inaugurated by Bishwa Bhushan Harichandan. What is the theme of this conference? The theme of this conference was Holistic Education for Excellence in Life. Red's government has launched the Chief Minister's COVID-19 Family Financial Assistance Scheme, which is known as the Mukhyamantri COVID-19 Paribar Arthik Sahayata Yojana. It was launched by the Delhi government, whose CM is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. How much amount did the World Bank approve for the support program for Kerala? It is 125 million US dollars. It's a great amount indeed, which is very important to launch the support program. What would be the GDP growth of India for 2022 according to India Ratings Research or INDRA? It's 9.6%. According to Bank for International Settlement, what is the India's bank credit to GDP ratio growth percentage in 2020? It's 56%. So some points in news. New spider species found in Maha named after 2611 martyr Tukaram Omle. The spider species Isias Tukarami has been named after Mumbai Police Assistant Sub-Inspector Tukaram Omle, who was martyred in 2611 terror attack. As per the research paper, 2 new spider species have been discovered in Maharashtra. Notably, Omle was the posthumously honored with Ashok Chakra, which is a civilian award, in January 2009. Skeleton found with 790 injuries turns out to be oldest known shark attack victim. A 3,000-year-old skeleton excavated in an archaeological site in Japan earlier is the earliest direct evidence of the shark attack on human. The skeleton belonged to a young to a middle-aged man who suffered 790 massive injuries and was missing a right leg. He is believed to have been attacked by either a tiger or a white shark, which is the oldest known attack victim and with several severe injuries. Neeraj Chopra wins javelin bronze in Finland with his best throw in Europe. Olympic bound javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra from India won the bronze medal with a throw of 86.79 in the Kortani Games in Finland on Saturday, while world number 1 Jonas Vetter clinched gold with a 93.59 meter throw. In Chopra's previous 2 gold-winning performances in Europe, he had thrown 83.18 meter in Portugal on June 10 and 80.96 meter in Sweden on June 22. These are some informations. Archer Abhishek, first Indian man to win 2 World Cup individual compound goals. Abhishek Verma, the Indian archer, became the first Indian man to win 2 World Cup gold medals in individual compound archery on Saturday. Verma won gold in men's individual compound event in the Archery World Cup Stage 3 in Paris. He beat the Curious Scarf 10-9 in a shoot-off after the 2 archers were tied 148-148 in a gold medal match. Verstappen wins Syrian Grand Prix to claim back to the back races for first time. Red Bull's Max Verstappen won the Styrian Grand Prix to secure his 4th race of the season and skates his championship lead to 18 points over Mercedes Lewis Hamilton, who finished the second. This is the first time Verstappen has back-to-back races in his career. Last Sunday, he had won the French Grand Prix over Hamilton in the penultimate lap. Drone strike on IF base in Jammu. This is the news which has shocked the whole Indian government and the Indian civilians in the morning. The first time the India faced such a drone attack, according to the Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police Devang Singh, the twin explosion of the Air Force base in Jammu airport, a terror attack. 2 Indian Air Force personnel were injured in the explosion that took place around 1:40 am within 6 minutes of each other. The first blast ripped off the floor of a single-story building at the high-security technical area of the Air Force manned by IAF in the Satwari area of the city. The second was on ground. So this has been a great matter of concern for the whole security system of India and also the Defense Ministry. So who can be it? It's still under investigation, but it's a time of great awareness for the national security. So guys, this is all for today. Thank you for watching our video. Do support our channel by liking it, sharing it, subscribing it, and also press the bell icon attached to the subscribe button, and do hit a like for our efforts, and do visit our Facebook page gyanbhandar.online for more such updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.